Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to teleport the player. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss out on any future content. Let's get right into it. The way you teleport a player is by using a special feature in the humanoid root part called CFrame. Now, by changing the position of the CFrame, you can teleport the player without killing them, as moving the humanoid root part or any part of their body, including their torso, humanoid root part, and head, will result in the player dying. So what you need to do is use CFrame so the player won't die. As you can see, I have a little button right here, and we're going to script this button so when we press it, it will teleport the player from right here to onto this platform. So first, I'm going to insert a spawn real quick in the middle of this platform, and I prefer my spawns to be invisible, but that's all optional. And we're going to get into scripting. For any GUI, you're going to insert a local script, so that's where I'll be inserting. I'm going to name this local script teleport player. Now, whenever you're doing a local script, you're always going to want to start by defining the player, which is a very simple script. It just goes local player equals game.players.local player. Then, we're going to make it so it will run a function when the button is clicked. So, script.parent.mouse button one click connect function, and then put those parentheses. Now I think I spelled function wrong, so I'm going to rework that. Yep. And now we can write what we want. So first we need to get the player's character. So to do that, just write player.character. Then you're going to write the .humanoid root part to define the humanoid root part. So .humanoid root part, and then finally you need to define CFrame, so add one more dot and then write CFrame. Now make sure the F is capital after the C. That's a common mistake made when writing CFrame. Next you're going to write equals, then CFrame dot new, and inside these parentheses we need to get the coordinates. So the best way of doing that is by taking a part, which I have one right here, moving it to where you want the player to be teleported. So I want them to be teleported right here. Then take those coordinates, paste them in, and then you're going to take the middle number and add 1. Once you've done that, if we go into the game, we will spawn in, and if we press the teleport button, we will be teleported to this platform. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video, along with commenting any suggestions you have for future tutorials. See you in the next video.